Hi Jesse, hope you're doing well. Okay, I thought to make a video in order to show you how the things are working so that you know how to use the app and how this is working. So um, in order to make any changes into the visualization, you will have to go to this URL, which I already shared with you, and then you will be putting your email address and password, which I already shared with you on the WhatsApp. So let me log in and sorry, I just made a mistake. So let me correct that. And I am logged in right now, and there are two sections, roadmap preview and roadmap data. So right now you are seeing the roadmap preview, and whatever changes you make in roadmap data, that can be seen on the roadmap preview. And I also have opened this another URL in the incognito window in order to show you how the things will be looking on to the client side. So going to the roadmap data, here I have put it the data which is being seen right now. So let me tell you how things are working. So these are titles and these are URLs. So for example, this is right now weekly schedule. And for example, if I want to change it to, let's say, test 1, 2, 3, for example. So if I just take this out and if I go to the roadmap preview, you can see this has been changed to road test 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, test 2, 3. And right now there is no URL attached with this, so I will go to the roadmap data and let me go to my YouTube channel to pick up some URL. Okay, so let me copy this out. I will copy the link address and I will just go there in the app and I will click edit and I will put the URL. And now if I go to the roadmap preview and click on test 2, 3, it should be showing me the proper video. Yeah, you can see it. The video is being displayed properly. And if I just close this out and if I go to the front side of the client, so this is how the user, a normal user will be seeing. So if I just click here, as you can see, this is working properly. So let me come back once again to the roadmap data. So this is how you can edit the childs. So by child, I mean these are these are parents 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are their childs. So this is the parent component and these are the child components. So if you want to make any changes, for example, in the colors or something like that, in the styles, then you can use these buttons. So if I want to change the styles of the child, I can just go here. For example, right now the color is pink. If I want to change it, I can just copy this color, which was actually used by your if I dashboard. Okay, sorry, for some reason it's getting a bit slow. Anyhow, let me come back here again. And if I just go and put the new color and submit it, and hopefully this must have been updated. So let me go to the roadmap preview. As you can see, the color has been updated. And if I go to the front end, hopefully the things must be updated there as well. Let me refresh it. And as you can see, it's updated. And now once again, let me go to the roadmap data. So this is how you can make the changes to the styles. This is how you can add the title and the URL. You can change or add a new parent or child. So for example, right now only four components are added or four blocks are added. If you want to add a new one, let's say the fifth one, I will be adding the parent and it will be added on the bottom. So let me go there. This has been added and obviously I would have to add a child. So let me say testing 1, 2, 3 once again and let me submit it. Oh, sorry, I have to put some URL. Yes, I will be putting hash for testing. So Okay, that's it. Now if I go to the roadmap preview, you can see another item has been added with a single child. In this way, you can add more parents and more child's components if you want. And overall, this is it. If you want to delete it, you simply can click on this one will delete the child, and if you want to delete the parent, by parent it means the whole component or whole block, you have to click here. So I will be clicking deleting the whole block. So let's check that out. If I go to the roadmap preview, and it seems to be working perfectly. So here I hope things are working properly. Yeah, so that's it. Let me know your feedback on it, and let me know if you have any query or question or recommendation. So thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.